So, I have come out here to see, hi Sebastian, that Leo has completely destroyed one of the balloons. I can now not reach it, for some reason. Oh god! He has a complete obsession with these, and is determined to destroy them. Oh my god, you're gonna pop it, baby! Get it, baby, get it! He's actually pretty smart, look at him! He knows to grab that string to get the balloon down. Good boy, Leo. You get that balloon. You're so goofy. Did you win? Did you win? What is your brother doing, Sebastian? Go! He defeated it! Now how the heck am I going to get that other one down? Leo, how am I going to get the other balloon down?